Ang gusto kong mangyari, yung pag-scroll ng Pilipino at madaan sa PTB4, titignan niya yung program. That if there's really one that is for public service and the truth, and it's interesting, he will stop there. At saka manood siya, makinig. Yan ang gusto ko. Kisa pagdaan dyan, magsabi, wag yan kasi sa gobyerno yan, wala yan. Tapos daanan ka lang. So it's, in short, it's almost an ignored TV station. Sabihin ko na sa inyo ngayon, ayaw ko na itong basahin, but salamat po sa sinong gumawa nito. Maganda man. Yang makinabang ang tao kasi pera nila ito. So, yung taga-gobyerno should not be lulled into a belief na meron tayo. Parang atin, there's an armory there, there's a cannon which you can use to lambast your political, political enemies or a propaganda to hide the truth or to cover something. That is yung the list of what we expected of this. Kung gusto mo, pumunta ka doon sa private networks, then if you want something, if it is to their liking, and you want to personalize the whole thing, doon ka. Or you pag-come PTB4, but always it is, ang rule kasi dito is the chance to be heard.